Thank you for the compliment. I think that was a
Yes,
compliment.
I think we need to advise you at this point.
Okay.
Sewage is also part of construction. Sewage disposal and all that. And I know that we cannot use polystyrene for septic tanks for now. I don't know whether that is possible because they're going to be on the ground.
We're already using polystyrene for septic tanks.
Wow.
Oh, okay.
The polystyrene materials is a polymer.
Okay.
Unlike our cement blocks that get soaked, this block gets soaked, doesn't weaken. So it keeps the storage intact, but we're not using it for soak away because nothing soaks in the polystyrene wall. We're actually using a sewage treatment plant. But for our collection points, our holes and everything, it's absolutely polystyrene only.
Yeah, I was going to say they are standing behind a sewage, a sustainable sewage manager
So
that converts the sewage to gas.
I met him at your program, or maybe his people at your program, and we are, in fact, I'm glad he has come. We'll not let him go today. Probably we'll be waiting for his later. Any other questions, ladies and gentlemen? So now, we have been able to see all the stages, well, almost all of the stages of polystyrene. The first time you came, we were putting it together. Now you've seen the spraying, you've seen the plastering, and you've seen the finished product. So, I'm sure that polystyrene, as used in Monumental Textiles Magada, needs no further introduction to us.
What will be here when you're handing back?
We would invite you. It's really going to be a beautiful celebration because somebody came in today, one of the occupants of this house, and said, I should slow down, he's not putting me under pressure because he sees what I'm giving to him and he's ready to wait. And I tell him I'm not rushing. It is the advantages of polystyrene.
The pace of the day.
Yes, somebody told me he was coming to see his house.
Are you saying they have bought everything? Yes.
Do you want to buy? Now, I must also say that at this point. I also say that for the camera. Like where you asked me about the savings in polystyrene.
Exactly.
In Bagada, where you have to do piles, you know the cost of land in Bagada. A plot of land here costs 85 million. You have to do piles to bedrock, your structure and everything. And we